I got a package today. Do you know what it is?
Is it a giant black bird?
Sounds like it. No, it's a treat that I got for myself. Guess what kind of treat it is?
Is it hot off the looms?
It's hot, all right, but not off the looms. The printing presses.
Oh, hot off the
Let
printing
me show
press.
you. Da, 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 da.
Yay!
How to Kill a Witch by our friends Zoe Venditozzi and Claire Mitchell. The Patriarchy's Guide to Silencing Women.
Congratulations, Claire and Zoe. We were waiting for this day to get here. It started with digital downloads.
Yeah, I got this on my Kindle also, so that was waiting for me when I woke up this morning. That was exciting. But then my package came with the hardcover, and I'll show you exactly what's special about this hardcover. Let me see. They've got it here. This is the tartan that the Witches of Scotland and their friend Claire from the actual looms that you were talking about earlier, who designed this wonderful tartan for all of the people accused of witchcraft in Scotland. And I guess, it's really for everyone accused everywhere at any time of witchcraft. This is a very special tartan here.
What a
And
wonderful
I'm so happy
memorial.
to have it.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a living memorial. It's a wearable memorial. It's a, bookshelf memorial, a memorial in every home.
Yeah. So then, of course, I didn't get on the ball and get my pre-order in. So I drove out to Barnes & Noble's because that's where it was going to be available in Aurora, Colorado today. And I went in with my son, and he took a tiny little mini clip of me getting it off the bookshelf, which will be at the end of this video. So I also have my copy right here. Yay. This came right off the public bookshelf in the United States today.
How
Yeah.
to Kill a Witch.
Yeah. And I hope everybody dives right in. If you've been listening to their podcast, if you've been listening to our podcasts, the experts that are in here are going to be really familiar to you. There's lots of our friends mentioned in here with interviews, and one of the people highlighted from the Salem Witch Trials, Tituba, is in here, and our friend Rachel Christones did a wonderful job talking about her and the Salem Witch Trials. So that's in here. Plus, Leo Igwe, his work is in here. And that's almost the most critical part to me, because I know this book is going to be read by folks who may not have caught him on a podcast or read one of his important articles, but his important work is in this book.
His work is so important, addressing the plague of modern day witchcraft accusations that are resulting in violence against innocent people is very important. And I'm so glad that Zoe and Claire are on top of that in this book. They're, give it a prominent place in the book. So it's very good.
Of course, I'm also really excited to read the chapters about the Scottish witch trials. So they're in there, and so it's really fun to see. I mean, I shouldn't use the word fun, but it's meaningful, I should say, to see the names in print like this. So of the accused witches highlighted. Yeah.
It is to memorialize them in another way, in writing, so people don't forget their names and who they were as people. We've got to remember everyone involved in these witch trials is a person, a human person, and we've got to remember them and take care of their good names.
Yeah. So pick up your copy. learn more about Leo, learn more about witch trials, and have those conversations with your friends and family, and keep the knowledge growing.
Sarah's copying right here.